I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome back. In this video, I'll introduce the verbs which end in the and are preceded by I, or, and e, but follow the 5段活用 conjugation pattern. Very simply say, verbs which has the definition of the verbs. グイスが鳴いてますね。はい。And I make it clear the difference between the conjugations of 5段活用 verbs and 1段活用 verbs. Here we go.
知る to know, 減る to decrease, 握る to grip, いる to need, いる to roast, 切る to cut, 蹴る to kick, 限る to limit, 走る to run, 裏切る to betray, 喋る to chat, to talk, 横切る to come across, 入る to enter, 参る to go, to come, 帰る to come back.
They all are 5段活用 verbs. So you call verbs, but it looks like verbs. And they are very common. We use them in daily life, so you have to memorize all of them with 5段活用 conjugation patterns.
おさらい Let's review what 5段活用 is.
Japanese verbs dictionary forms always end with the vowel u. You should change the vowel u into a, I, e, o and snap suitable verb helpers onto them.
For example, いる to need,
いる to need. You should change it. いら、いり、いる、いれ、いろ and snap ないますばう。Then いらない、いります、いる、いれば、いろ。Actually, いろ is unnatural. We never say this. This is not a grammar thing. It is a meaning thing. I think in English, need it doesn't sound natural either.
おさらい Let's review what 一段活用 is.
一段活用 verbs. We should clip last lu at first done and at second done. At the third done, this is a dictionary form, so you should put lu back at fourth and fifth. You should change the vowel u into e and o. Then you should snap verb helpers onto them. And in 一段活用 verbs conjugation, we have you instead of lo.
For example, いる to stay,
So, いない、います、いる、いれば、いろ、いよう。Let's compare these two いる verbs.
いる plus ない一段活用いない don't stay, doesn't stay, won't stay 5段活用いらない don't need, doesn't need, won't need いる plus ます polite 一段活用います stay, stays, will stay 5段活用いります need, needs, will need いる present, future 一段活用いる stay, stays, will stay 5段活用いる need, needs, will need いるプラスば一段活用いれば if, stay 5段活用いれば if, need いる in command form. This is very rough. I don't recommend using it in daily life. 一段活用いろ stay 5段活用いれ need but this is very unnatural usage in meaning いれ we never say that いるプラスうよ let's 一段活用いよ let's stay 5段活用いろ let's need. But this is very unnatural, as I said.
So did you get the difference between 5段活用 and 1段活用? So let's check it out. Question 1. 走る to run and ない not. How should we change this 走る? Hint 1. 走る is 5段活用 verb. ない has one peg. 走らない。はあ、今日は走らない。
I won't run today.
Question 2. 食べる to eat plus ます polite form. 食べる is 一段活用 verb. ます has two pegs. So, 食べます。私はお米を食べます。Question 3. 蹴る to kick. ます polite. And past. 蹴る5段活用。ます two pegs. two pegs. 蹴りました。蹴りました。私はボールを蹴りました。I kicked a ball. Kicked the ball. Anyway, these two いるずuse the flat style accent pattern. いる both of them have flat style accent pattern. So I will introduce two other いる using 起伏 accent pattern in the next video. いる roast sesame and coffee beans without oil. いる
To shoot an arrow.
The next video is Verb Pitch Accent Part 4. While comparing these four いる図 I will explain the difference between 起伏 and flat styles more precisely in it. That's all for today. ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。ラーメン食べます？ラーメン食べます？